Noah. Hi, Popo. What you doing? Hey. You crawling? Say, I'm at my tia's house. I'm at my tia Mimi's house. Noah, Noah. Noah, Noah. Hey. What you doing? Piggy, piggy. Piggy, piggy. Piggy, piggy, piggy. What you doing? Where you going? Stand him up in front of the couch to where his belly's facing just like that. No, the other way? Like, let him lean. He loves that. He thinks he's so big. Noah! Hey! Look at you, big boy! Look at you, whoa! Yeah, I just kind of hold him, but he thinks he's so big when I do that. Noah! Look at you, big boy! Look at you! Look at my baby. Go Noah! Go Noah! Go Noah! Go Noah! Go Noah! Take your booty! Take your booty! Take your booty! Take your booty! Is he moving? Take your booty! Go Noah! Go Noah! Take your booty! Take your booty! Go Noah! Go Noah! Go Noah! Did you see him dancing? He does it. Uh-oh! Get your piggy! Yay! Go Noah! Go Noah! Go Noah! Take your booty! Take your booty! Take your booty! Take your booty! I like to dance. I dance like my dada. Go Noah! Go Noah! Go Noah! Take your booty! Take your booty! Yay!